Today, we're going to show you how to decorate custom apparel with digitally printed and contour cut heat transfers. The custom apparel decoration market is hotter than ever, and if you own a Roland printer cutter, you can get started in this profitable business right away. With Roland inks, media, RIP software, and devices working together in perfect harmony, it's easy to turn great designs into unique products your customers will love. First, let's make sure you have all the right tools. To create your designs, you'll need a computer and a vector-based design program like Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW. To output your graphics, you'll need a Roland printer cutter like the 30-inch VersaCam. You'll also need a standard heat press, a roll of heat transfer material, and paper-based transfer tape. The first step in the process is to build your graphic in a vector-based software program. We're working with Adobe Illustrator today. Your design can include both vector-based elements and bitmapped elements such as photos. When your design is finished, you need to define a cutting path. First, create a path that merges all shapes that are to be cut. You define this shape as a cutting path by assigning the Roland Cut Contour spot color. You can either set the path to cut your graphic along its edges, or you can offset it from the graphic to create a border. Roland VersaWorks RIP will automatically recognize the cut contour spot color as the cutting path, so your cut contour lines will be cut and not printed. Save or export your file in either EPS or PDF format. Adding a file to the Roland VersaWorks job list is as simple as dragging and dropping. Before you send the job to be printed, load your heat transfer material and set up the printer. This will allow Roland VersaWorks to establish the right job settings based on the material width, the size of the job, and number of copies you plan to produce. VersaWorks gives you complete control over the job settings. Click on the Quality button and select Media Type. For this application, we are selecting the HTM Heat Transfer Material profile. You can make changes to the scaling and sizing of the job, the number of copies, or the spacing and orientation. Now you're ready to send the file to your Roland printer cutter. Thanks to the Roland VersaCam's unique integration of printing and contour cutting, it will first print, then automatically cut your file with speed and precision. The colors of the printed image will appear muted until they reach full saturation during the heat transfer process. When you are finished, use the automatic sheet cutter to remove the job. Weed the extra material away. Your graphic is now ready to transfer onto your garment. Cover the design with your transfer tape, pressing on each section. Remove the graphic from the backing sheet. Before transferring, iron your garment using the heat press. This will eliminate unwanted wrinkles and improve the quality of your finished product. Let the garment cool for a few seconds, and then place the graphic on your garment. Whenever you're using the heat press, two variables that may change are temperature and time. For this heat transfer material, set your heat press to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Close the press by clamping down onto the garment and press for 15 seconds. The heat and pressure of the press will bond the graphic to the garment permanently. Allow the graphic to cool for 2 to 3 seconds and then perform a cool peel of the transfer tape. That's it! Your custom garment is now ready to sell and wear. Here's an example of your potential return on investment. Thanks for joining our workshop today. Remember, you can view our entire video workshop series and register for Roland University online at www.rolanddga.com.